Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Tyrone and this is Tyrone Studio. Now me there in the bush as you can see. You get me? I say what me I gonna do? Based on the title of the video here, me I gonna make some plantain porridge for you. You get me? I say and what? Me I go in the bush go show you how me cut the plantain down, show you all the what go on in the farm right here so behind me and over there so beside me. So I that I go on. Stay tuned guys, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so I upload you notify every time. You get me I say? And like the video. Yeah man, respect for that. The like go a far away and don't forget to comment. I'm not about chatting right now. We are going at the video cook and I see when we make some porridge, because I made them call it porridge boss down a country. You get me I say? Yeah man. So big up on yourself, One love from Jamaica all the time. Yeah, Tyrone Studio. See it there. Respect on Yeah man, stay right there. So yeah. Alright guys, so here we are going now. But in the farm, as you can see me showing a little clip. This is the yam. We have some yam right here so now, and we have some corn grow. The corn is not ready yet still, But we are going at the plant bush now still. Banana over there still. So just forward. I show you what go on, so stay tuned, Don't click off for every video, watch what go on. You get me I say so. And the whole experience, when I'm in the country, I like to do them stuff here. I like to go directly at the farm, pick a thing, and cook it. So just stay tuned, Yeah man, so we are going by plant walk, See it over there, so watch what go on. Watch it progress. Alright guys, so forward. Show them what go on. No. Clean up the part still, So one plant now over here, so still. Before I go cut it down, cut down a plant now. So over here, Alright people, see one here? The one there right here, so I don't know if you not see it, you see me, so yeah man, see it there, right up here, so you ready still, you see me, so but even if you can chop down your whole life, see it guys. See it, yeah. Ready for your road. Get me I say ready for your road. See it, plant them ready. They fit. Look like them, what are them all our bus. Where they fit, so we'll get this ready up to make we plant up porridge. So stay tuned guys. Watch what go on. And big up on yourself for Jamaica this. Pony Farm, Tyrone Studio. Hit that. Alright guys, so see it now. So what you're gonna need for the recipe here, you're gonna need some sugar, vanilla, a little bit of salt, coconut, 3 to 4 green plantains. You know what I mean? So see sugar here and the condensed milk. I'm so sure that still, you know what I mean? Then at the house I go and chill out. But these what we can carry outside, So this is our cracker now, you know what I mean? I'm showing you what I go on. Probably me use the traditional way for grater the plantain, or probably blend it, depending on how the grater react to it, you know what I mean? So stay tuned. So these are just the simple ingredients you're going to need for this plantain porridge here. Not too serious, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright guys, so see coconut now, you know what I mean? So a little one still, you know what I mean? You know, big, but can't use, so we're bossy. See what I go on here. We don't drink this tea because probably at your belly, but white and pretty. See it there? White and pretty. So we are great at this and now I'm going to see what I go on. You see me? Yeah man. Nice. Look there. This is you want to see. Nice and white and pretty. Alright guys, so see coconut now. I have a knife. You see me? So we'll see if we can dig out some of this now. Yeah, may I say? So just kinda peel around it. Like this. I mean, just use a knife. Just go around. Take my time and go around just like this until me get it out. Take off a little piece there. Guys, so upon the last piece and now see it there, and a piece I left here. So so see coconut here. And not much still, you see me? Because I know I'm big coconut, you see me? So I get it wash off now. After I wash it off, I go grate it, then I go strain it. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Alright guys, so finish wash off the coconut, so it's white and pretty. You know what I mean? So we'll get some grater in on now. Alright guys, so see it here. Add some water to this and now. So what I go do? I go strain it out and now, you see me? Cause water in it and now, so we just go strain out coconut juice. So show now how I do that, you see me? Alright guys, so see strainer here. You see me, and we have a pot well washed out already. Just kind of shake out any more extra water. So what we do basically is just add the coconut and just give it a squeeze. Yeah man, so all our juice run out tight. So the same juice now we're going to use as the base of the plantain porridge. You know? So going to be the base side. So we just squeeze out everything. See it there? Squeeze out. Rich and pretty. Make sure when you can blend this if you want, you know. But you have to use a little bit of water, it will go fresh and it will lose its flavor. So that's why we rather grate it so we get to manipulate it how we want, you know. But you can do it how you feel like still. For now, make it so see it there. Water rich and pretty. You know what I mean? So we'll cover this now. Then we'll catch up a fire. Blend up a thing. and do some more. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so there, so now I'm gonna match up the fire here quick and fast. You see me? Out and windy today, so supposed to can easier to catch. Oh, what is going on, man? Oh, snake. Put me off it. Take my time here. Part the out. And there. On the out, people. As you said, that breeze and easy, you know, just start light a fire, so him that show up. Alright. That's supposed to do it. See the fire here. You see me, so put some heat down in it and now. No need more than that. Alright, guys, so what we are going to do now, see they plant them here. So we'll probably use 3 of them still, you see me? So we just kind of get off the skin off of it. Yes, so after we get off the skin, I'm going to cut them up and ice them in the blender, you see me? Fire over this kicker now. So ready to go up on the fire with the food, you see me? So breakfast I go bad. Fully bad. You see me? And guys, if you now watch this and you don't want to try the plantain porridge, you can try it. Send me like a 1-minute video of it. Let me see how the porridge come out. You get me? I say, yeah man, if you don't want to try the little recipe, you see me? I know enough of them cook it outside still, but you can send it to see me and see what I deal with it. I mean, because we are building a community we are building, you know. Get me? I say, and just for views, I just for know and teaching what we know on a different level, both artistically and every part of it. So stay tuned, guys, and watch what I go on. Yeah man, one love from Jamaica, you see me? Alright guys, so don't peel it now. Just show now what I go on. Slice it up nice and easy. You see me? You don't need more than 3 for that little pot of porridge still. If you make like a bigger pot like a family, you can use more than that, you see me? So this we deal with it. So what we are going to do now, we are going to wash it off and then we are going to get it blend. In the meantime, I put on the coconut milk on the fire, make it go and boil up, you see me? Alright guys, so put on it. So we are drop a little bit of salt in the pot here. See it here? No? Little bit of salt for taste and feet run with belly. You get me? So see coconut milk in the pot here. Rich and pretty, you see me? Yeah man, so catch what I go on my boss. Yeah, so we'll make it get to a boil. Meanwhile we blend up with plant. Alright guys, so we're gonna add one more little thing to the pot, which is cinnamon leaf, wash already. So see it there? Make with cinnamon leaf boil up with the coconut milk. You see me? Cause cinnamon leaf body, you know, fully body nice. That make it nice. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Big up on yourself. Alright guys, so see it when you blend out 4 plantains, you know. See consistency there. You know what I mean? So what we're going to do now, we're going to check on the pot with the coconut milk powder. Not coconut milk, if you say about milk powder. So we use coconut milk powder, I say milk powder, but sorry about that, isn't it? So we're going to go down the pot and we're going to see what I go on. Alright guys, so over off the pot cover here. Yeah man, it a boil up nice. Yeah man, so what I'm going to do now, just take my time and pour out. See it there? Alright people, see it there? You know what I mean? So all you have to do now is just stir. So it now thick up. So I'll just continually stir. Watch your pot now, make it run over. Yeah man, check back in the next 5 minutes. Show you what go on, you see me? Nice, see it there? See it there people? Yeah man. Porridge thick and nice. Look like cornmeal porridge down. Yeah man, I say it a go look. Yeah man, so you have to make it plant and boil for you. Give it 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, you know? Because you plant kind of green, so you have to wash the part. So. Bless up, you know, man. Bless up, you know, Jamaica. We're out here do the right thing, you see me? Yeah man, and don't forget to like the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. You know what I mean? Watch till the end. Don't skip it. See it, they're quite thick. Plant porridge have to thick, you know, your porridge to water. See there? Thick and nice. Watch your ads, people. You see me, watch your ads, man. Respect that, you know? Alright, so soon come back, I fire. Alright people, see it here? Flavor bad. Yeah, wait for going on that porridge here. Oh God, see it there? Make sure you keep on stirring it so it not stick up in the boils of the pot. So, give it about 5 more minutes, you know? Because a plantain still and a cornmeal will take longer. Just keep on stirring it still on your way good. I got to move some of my fire because the fire is bad. So eat that, so 5 more minutes. Kind of move look like fire because the fire get too bad on there, so keep look like this cause. You know? Move some from the side there. Fire get too bad, you don't want it burn up. You see me? That we do still. So, eat that. 4 more minutes and we're good. Alright guys. So, see my vanilla here. You know? So, we're going to add some vanilla for flavor. So, I'm going to use about 3 to 4 cork of vanilla will equal to about 2 tablespoons. Probably add 5. Alright, Benjamin vanilla well, may I tell you, it's strong. So you don't have to add much. So add in the vanilla. Remember, so we cinnamon leaf in there already. So that will flavor, you see me? So what we're going to add next is some sugar. And we're going to add a little bit of condensed milk. Because remember, say coconut milk already milky, you know, say white and pretty there. So you don't have to overdo it with the milk. But if you want to add any other milk, evaporated milk, you can add evaporated milk if you want. But we're not over milk it, you see me? So choice is yours. See condensed milk here. Give it a 1 stir. So we're dropping the milk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spoons and a half. Give it a stir, you see me? See the guys. Cornmeal, blah blah blah. What I say about cornmeal porridge? I plant the porridge, I go fully bad. You see me? See it there? Drop what? 2 more spoons. 2 more spoon of condensed milk. Now we're good. See me, so I guess some people just share out here now still, cause they are cooked for a while, you know, so just stir it up. Give it a taste. Master God, we don't want to try that porridge here. Fully bad. Alright guys, so here we go on now. Porridge done cooking now. You get me? I say so. Take off time and now. Oh God, I don't want it drop. Follow me go put it down on the table here. Share out it for the folks. Yeah man, take one more look in the pot. There, could they? Pretty. Pretty. That go fully bad. You know what I mean? So share out time and now. Yeah, so watch what go on. Alright guys, so spot me if start from here now. Start on the plate there. Go there. Porridge well thick. Body can get a cup and a half, you know. At least a cup you can get. Now left nobody out. I got taste it. And I couldn't know how it tastes. Because I can't be biased, you know. I can't say my porridge tastes good and it probably not taste. Probably a lie me I tell. So I have to have some real people here, so taste up a porridge, you know. Oh. Get a spoon, Tavina. Get a spoon. Ah, see boss, you going night now. Good man. Pretty. Cool, you know, make it bunny. How it taste?
Hot.
Hot.
Yeah man, I bad porridge, someone.
Yeah.
Banana nice, every mixture nice, everything soon.
Everything nice. Tavina, why you say going night? Let me see you going night. How it taste, Tavina?
Sweet.
It's sweet. It's nice. I first say I plantain porridge.
Yes.
Still going night porridge, man. Cool it.
It's hot.
It's hot. Cool it. Yeah. Watch your face. Bad though. Yeah man, we're out here. You see me? Auntie Kai come take a few porridge and go and go eat it. Because I know you're not so enjoying the idea. So guys, I soon going off for me. You see me? Biggs are come take up one in done. I'll tell you when it tastes. Alright guys, so here we go on now. I'm going in porridge. Tavina over here, so. Because it's thick and nice. Hot your fret. Yeah, though. Boy, people, I want to try that porridge and give it a thumbs up here. Okay, I have to take the cooking thing a little serious. Tavina, take the cooking thing serious, man. Bad. Fully bad. Porridge, you know. Porridge, boy, I tell you, out of 10. I tell you, I give it a 10 out of 10. You don't want nothing more. Plantain porridge are bad. It's bad, people. Bad, you're afraid. But you see Tavina going in a porridge and I love porridge, so bad. All the man on his side. Don't you say I'm working up. And he come up here and see what I go on. I don't know, say yo, share the porridge for you, man. He say bad, see it there. Him give the thumbs up. Eat it guys. Thick. If you don't want to try this, you can try it. Put the recipe in the description box. You hear me I say? Yeah man, you can follow it and you can send a video I want you to make it. If you don't want to do that still, I put my number then you can WhatsApp me it. Guys, if you feel like you want to donate to the channel so I can buy more food, go more places, you get me I say? Financing thing, but I really appreciate that. I put a PayPal link down in the description box. Plus, some other things when you can contact me. You get me I say? These are the baddest plantain porridge. You get me I say? Fully bad plantain porridge. If you don't want to try this, try it. And big up on yourself, you know, one love from Jamaica always. It's your boy Tyrone, and I will see you guys in the next video. And I'm out.